Yes. El Franco, my road. Thank you, Ron. My art has been commended as being strongly vaginal, which bothers some men. The word itself makes some men uncomfortable. Vagina.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, they don't like hearing it and they find it difficult to say. Whereas without batting an eye, a man will refer to his dick or his rod or his Johnson.
Johnson?
All right, Mr. Lebowski, let's get down to cases. My father told me he's agreed to let you have the rug, but as it was a gift from me to my late mother, it was not his to give. Now, as for this kidnapping...
What, huh?
Yes, I know about it, and I know that you acted as courier, and let me tell you something. The whole thing stinks to high heaven.
Right. Let me explain something about that.
Do you like sex, Mr. Lebowski?
Excuse me?
Sex? The physical act of love? Coitus? Do you like it?
I was talking about my rug.
You're not interested in sex?
You mean coitus?
I like it too. It's a male myth about feminists that we hate sex. It can be a zesty, natural enterprise. Of course, there are some people, it is called satirizers and men, nymphomanian women, who engage in it compulsively and without joy.
Oh, no.
Oh, yes, Mr. Lebowski. These unfortunate souls cannot love in the true sense of the word. Our mutual acquaintance, Bunny, is one of these.
Listen, Maud, I'm really sorry your stepmom is a nympho, but I don't see what that has to do. Do you have any Kahlua?